Ann Santos here at potentials.com, signing at our channel. Let's continue study the book of John Gray. What your mother couldn't tell and your father didn't know. So ano bang lesson natin today from Sir John is solving the problem. So nandun po tayo yung different ways women reacts to problems. So number 3 is solving the problem. So quite commonly, women react to problem by simply taking charge and solving it on their own. So that's the easy way. Ako nila magsosolve, di ko na i-problem. But sabi nga ni Sir John Gray, this is not productive. Kasi parang feeling ni man, syempre na-save nga siya, pero parang hindi siya involved. So hindi siya ganun ka-committed sa solution of the problem. So example niya nga yung sa pagpili ng restaurant where they have to eat. So kung collaboration kasi yun, so kung alam niya rin naman na parang choice din ng wife niya yung restaurant, but since they had a discussion or a collaboration or an agreement, parang happy rin siya while eating at the restaurant. So just like in problem solving, when we collaborate and we both agree to the solution, kung kanino man siya nanggaling, but since there's a discussion, parang there's involvement, there's participation. So yun ang important in solving the problem, diba? Hindi yung kanya-kanya or parang sige, kaya mo naman yan eh. No? Kasi pagdating na ng in the future or upon analysis, parang there's no commitment. Kasi parang ikaw lang nag-decide eh. Ikaw lang ang nag-solve. But if there's collaboration, there's more participation and kumbaga happiness and intimacy. So sabi niya, I'm certainly not suggesting that women become incapable of independent problem solving, but as we have discussed, men primarily feel intimacy and closeness when they are successful in fulfilling a woman's need. Kasi nga parang part siya or nag-participate siya. So yung important is the intimacy, not just solving the problem. So it's the process that matters, hindi yung solution. Stay safe everyone. God bless you all. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video.